Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Synthetix for synthetic asset trading, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate Synthetix for synthetic asset trading, start by visiting the official Synthetix website. Connect your cryptocurrency wallet to the site. Choose a wallet that supports Ethereum-based assets, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Once your wallet is connected, ensure you have enough ETH in your wallet to cover gas fees. If you don't have ETH, buy some from a cryptocurrency exchange. Next, navigate to the Synthetix dashboard. Look for the Synth section to explore available synthetic assets. Select the synthetic asset you want to trade. Before trading, you may need to stake SNX tokens to enable trading. To do this, go back to the dashboard and find the staking option. Click on it and follow the instructions to stake your SNX tokens. Review the staking requirements and approve the transaction in your wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed, return to the dashboard. You should now be able to trade synthetic assets. Select the asset you wish to buy or sell. Enter the amount you wish to trade and review the transaction details. Confirm the trade in your wallet. After the trade is executed, monitor your position in the dashboard. If you wish to unstake your SNX tokens later, return to the staking section. Follow the prompts to unstake and confirm the transaction in your wallet. You have now successfully activated Synthetix for synthetic asset trading. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.